Tired of collaboration chaos and ready to bring teammates into your Trello world? Let's dive into a quick guide on inviting members to your Trello board, ensuring smooth teamwork and no more workflow bottlenecks. First, open the Trello board you'd like to share. Look for the Share button located on the right-hand side of your board, usually near your profile icon. Click it. A pop-up window will appear where you can invite people directly. Here, you'll find a field labeled Invite to Board. Type the email address or Trello username of the person you want to add. As you type, Trello might suggest existing users from your organization or contacts. Select the correct person now. Once you've chosen the person, click the blue Send Invitation button. Once the invitation is sent, the person will receive a notification in their Trello account and via email, prompting them to join your board. They'll need to accept the invitation to gain access. Let's talk about access levels. Once a member is added, you can control their permissions. Click on their profile picture on the right panel of the board. Here, you can change their role from normal to admin. Admins have more control over the board settings and members, so assign this role carefully. If someone no longer needs access, you can also remove them from this menu. Finally, a quick troubleshooting tip: if someone says they haven't received the invite, double-check that you've entered the correct email address or username. Also, advise them to check their spam or junk mail folder. That's it. You're now a Trello invitation master, ready to build your collaborative dream team.